For many of you, the answer is a mystery. What salary can 2D artists expect? How much do they make in general? And which job offer will get them their money's worth of experience before quitting for good or getting another position? All are questions that have no clear-cut answers, but it doesn't stop us from trying. Today's video should give you some insight into how much these artists deserve when considering time spent on artistry. And we will also share some tips to help you kickstart your career. But before, you should probably ask yourself one important question. Are you willing to give up money for art? Creating art for a living can be difficult. It's easy to get caught up in the magic of your work and lose track that you're not making enough money out of this stuff. There are many ups and downs when it comes to freelance careers. 2D artists are compensated on a per-hour basis according to the general industry rates. Typical rates are obtained by direct communication with freelancers with experience in this industry or by reviewing rates submitted on Upwork and Guru sites, but can also be obtained by conducting interviews if none of these other methods are available. With that being said, let's get down to the good stuff. Is your artwork worth the pixels? Almost $60,000 is the average salary for a 2D artist. This is based on a recent survey of over 1,000 HR professionals and employers across a wide variety of industries. To give you an idea, let's go through a few examples of 2D industries and their respective average salaries. Please bear in mind that these rates are approximate and are subject to many variation factors like experience and location. For example, a 2D artist living in New York will make more than one living in India, so please do take them with a grain of salt. Let's start by exploring the tabletop gaming field first and look at a few examples. For RPG cover art, the entry level ranges from $1 to $500. The intermediate level ranges from $500 to $850. The advanced level ranges from $850 to $1,800, and the expert level goes from there and above. For RPG maps, the entry level ranges from $1 to $250. The intermediate level ranges from $250 to $500. The advanced level ranges from $500 to $800, and the expert level goes from there and above. These rates are specific to a single page with colors. For tabletop mini designs, the entry level ranges from $1 to $120. The intermediate level ranges from $120 to $220. The advanced level ranges from $220 to $320, and the expert level goes from there and above. That's approximately an increment of $100 for each higher level. For CCG and TCG art, the entry level ranges from $1 to $250. The intermediate level ranges from $250 to $500. The advanced level ranges from $500 to $800, and the expert level goes from there and above. The fiction field is also very interesting, and we collected a few examples to highlight that. For book covers, the entry level falls between $1 and $1,600. The intermediate level falls between $1,600 and $3,000. The advanced level falls between $3,000 and $4,600, and the expert level goes from there and above. For maps, the entry level falls between $1 and $250. The intermediate level falls between $250 and $500. The advanced level falls between $500 and $800, and the expert level goes from there and above. For online content that is fully colored, it goes exactly like the maps, but it can have variations depending on many factors, like the type of the online platform and the content itself. When it comes to the comics field, the market offers some very interesting rates according to each phase of the production pipeline. For comic page pencils, the entry level falls between $1 and $140. The intermediate level falls between $140 and $280. The advanced level falls between $280 and $420, and the expert level goes from there and above. For comic page ink, the entry level falls between $1 and $60. The intermediate level falls between $60 and $120. The advanced level falls between $120 and $180, and the expert level goes from there and above. For a fully painted comic page, the entry level falls between $1 and $220. The intermediate level falls between $220 and $440. The advanced level falls between $440 and $670, and the expert level goes from there and above. For a comic cover painting, the entry level falls between $1 and $500. The intermediate level falls between $220 and $440. The advanced level falls between $440 and $670, and the expert level goes from there and above. Another major field that's worth mentioning is 2D animation, since it has taken over a huge part of the 2D industry and it's even growing. There are a few subfields that offer interesting compensation rates too. Again, please note that these rates are only rough estimations and can vary greatly depending on many factors, so please do take them with a grain of salt. For motion graphics designers, the entry-level's average hourly rate is around $26, while the yearly salary is about $44K. The mid-level's average hourly rate is around $34, while the yearly salary is about $71K. For the senior level's average hourly rate, it's around $45, while the yearly salary is about $110K. For storyboard artists, the entry-level's average hourly rate is around $28, while the yearly salary is about $41K. The mid-level's average hourly rate is around $34, while the yearly salary is about $72K. The senior level's average hourly rate is around $39, while the yearly salary is about $120K. For concept artists, the entry-level's average hourly rate is around $27, while the yearly salary is about $58K. The mid-level's average hourly rate is around $30, while the yearly salary is about $89K. The senior level's average hourly rate is around $42, while the yearly salary is about $136K. These rates may seem absurdly good, but it's very rare for a freelancer